guys, it's UniquePearl. Welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm going to be making a DIY pastel fairy tale castle decoration thing. If you enjoy and would like to see more, be sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscription down below. Now let's get to today's materials. I'm using this really small brush, a slightly bigger brush, a sponge brush, medium-sized brush, and this gigantic brush, as well as my scissors and a hot glue gun. Make sure to have a parent with you if you're not old enough to use one of those. Some mini hearts, and I'm also going to be using the colors teal and rose in the shimmery multi-surface acrylic paint. I'm also going to be using these pastel pink fake flowers. The big one's not going to be used. I'm also going to be using these cotton balls and these mini jewels, which will be in a different color later. These white glitter and some glittery acrylic multi-surface paint. The opal magic ones I'm not going to be using, and the pink one I'm not going to be using either. I just set them out just because. Most important part is the wooden castle that I got from Michael's a long time ago. First thing I did was clean off all of the dust with some cotton swabs. This thing has been sitting on my dresser for quite a while, almost half a year I think, and I thought I should probably do something with it. The next step was to use my rose shimmery acrylic paints and just use the big brush to paint a basically a base layer, a starter layer on the bottom floor of the castle. It's okay if you leave mistakes because it is a big brush and you won't be able to get into all the creases. Later on off camera I will be using smaller brushes to get into the small creases and to fix mistakes. After that, I got my teal version of the same paint and painted the rest of the castle. Again, I was using a kind of big brush, so it'll be really messy, but I'll be fixing it up off camera. Off camera, I fixed all the messy details and it mixed together to make a good green. Right, so next I used my white glitter and just shook it all over the entire castle, like really made it rain. And it looked quite a mess, but it was pretty fun. While my hot glue gun was heating up, I decided to take my white glitter acrylic paint and just paint over the small hearts and then cover them completely in white glitter. And as you can see, it's now a shimmery masterpiece. I made about 3 to 4 of these small hearts and took my hot glue gun and just stuck them around the front of the castle, you know, like on the sides near the doorway and on the top. Next was to use the cotton balls. I took them and completely ripped them apart to make fluffy, soft clouds. This might be a little bit more extra, quote unquote, but there were some parts of the castle that were either damaged or missing, so I thought I could use these to cover up some mistakes and also make it really fun. More fantasy, you know? As great as it looks, we're not done yet. So I take my pack of sticker little mini jewels and just stick them around the front, as you know, like around the doorway and such. I soon figured out that they were actual stickers, and I was able to actually put a bunch of them on at the same time, which is really convenient. For the last touch, I took these pink pastel flowers, only 3 of them, put one of them on one of the top towers and the other 2 near the front entrance. And then I was done. It looked spectacular. Kind of like a Barbie just took everything she had in her dream house and threw up all over it. But I think it turned out really great, and I will love to have this displayed on my dresser. If you enjoyed this and you'd like to see more, drop a comment and subscription down below. Hit the notification button and subscribe. Videos every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!